that's a whole new experience. A roller coaster in the snow. I know I've done the Alpine coaster in Edinburgh, but I've not done a big wooden coaster in the snow. So this is first. So let's see how this goes. I'll say, wow. If you're watching this as a 360 POV, you're welcome to rotate the camera again and watch my reaction with the snow pelt on my face. But wow. Best wood I've ever done. Wow.